The government has given more headroom to vehicle aggregators such as Uber, Ola, InDrive and Rapido on surge pricing. So in a set of guidelines on the ride-hailing services, the Road Transport Ministry has now allowed aggregators to charge up to twice the base fare as against 1.5 times earlier, while leaving the non-peak hour charges at not less than 50% of the base fare. They say the idea is to ensure that consumers are not burdened during periods of surge in traffic, while also ensuring that aggregators do not undercut competition by offering steep discounts. How exactly will this be put in place and will states have to comply? Tanushka Datta joins us with the finer details. Tanushka, how exactly are we about to go about this new surge pricing rule and how are states being asked to comply?
Right, Parmeshwar, this comes in a notification from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and what we do understand about this is that the aggregator shall be permitted a charge of a maximum of 50% lower than the base fare and a maximum dynamic pricing. What is important to note here is that this is dynamic pricing system of 2 times the base fare, which means the limit becomes, for instance, say my base fare is that of 100 rupees. The minimum lower limit that you can charge me as a price surge on this is a 50 rupees surcharge, and the maximum that you can charge me is that a 200 rupee surcharge. What we also understand, what is important to note, is the cancellation policy as well. Now, with respect to cancellation of a booking, there will be 10% penalty that will also fall upon the driver. So from now on, it's not just upon the consumer or the passenger that the cancellation charges will fall upon, but this is also given in a case where the reason for cancellation is found as invalid or not exactly, reasonable by the aggregator themselves. So the aggregators this time round will be taking in more sort of, decisions in terms of their policies as well. And this has been brought about as, some sort of a midway to meet both driver needs, aggregator needs, such as, Rapido in a statement has said that they welcome this decision by the ministry, and to also ensure that driver rights are also maintained and passenger rights are also maintained at some sort of a midway. Remember earlier last month, Union Minister for Consumer Affairs had brought about the, fact about the extra charges that one is, one can opt in to make their rides get booked faster. And this is something that was brought up as a concern by the Consumer Affairs Minister. However, as of now, from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, we understand that this is, coming in as a midway for both drivers and passengers. Back to you.